Question 3 of this exercise says, at Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? That's one question. And then on Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? So we have to simply find the temperature of Srinagar on 2 days, on Tuesday and on Wednesday. And you can see that this question is actually quite straightforward, quite easy. And here's how we can do it. So we are given that the temperature on Monday is minus 5 degrees Celsius. And then on Tuesday, we are told that the temperature dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. So on Tuesday, the temperature dropped by 2 degrees Celsius, dropped from the previous day's temperature. So the previous day's temperature was minus 5 and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. So the temperature on Tuesday will be the previous day's temperature, so minus 5 degrees Celsius, and from this you subtract 2 degrees Celsius because the temperature has dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. So we have minus 5 minus 2, which will be equal to minus 7. So on Tuesday, the temperature will be equal to minus 7 degrees Celsius. So this is the answer for Tuesday. And then on Wednesday, what are we given? So we are given that the temperature rose or increased by 4 degrees Celsius, but increased with respect to what? Increased with respect to the previous day's temperature. So the previous day's temperature, Tuesday's temperature, was minus 7 degrees Celsius, which we have just calculated. And with respect to this temperature, the temperature on Wednesday rose by 4 degrees. So on Wednesday, the temperature will be the previous day's temperature, which is minus 7 degrees Celsius. And to this, we add 4 degrees Celsius. So minus 7 plus 4 is equal to minus 3. So on Wednesday, the temperature will be minus 3 degrees Celsius. So this is the answer, the temperature for Wednesday. And this completes question number 3. To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.